Profit and power, the advantages of mobile marketing. Let's now look at some of the more compelling mobile marketing advantages. Cell phones are constantly close at hand. When a phone is close at hand and you are able to effectively, regularly, and successfully reach those mobile subscribers, that makes your message always within easy reach. Rapid response times. Messages that might have once taken weeks or even months just to get delivered, much less responded to, is now more instantaneous than before. Text messages are generally read and acted upon within minutes of delivery. Join me in the final video as we do a summary and wrap up. See you there.